I just want to take a goddess bath and like be done with today. I'm kind of exhausted. The children came back today from their dads. I have work tomorrow. They have school tomorrow. They're in summer camp at their school. So we will be getting ready for that and just settling in. Right now it's 3:54 and I know it probably seems a little bit early, but not for me because I've been up since like 3 o'clock this morning working on videos and all that jazz. And I know like I look a mess, but sis, this is what you get at 3 o'clock in the afternoon when I've been running, working out. Like, this is what you getting. So every day is not a makeup day. Every day you ain't gonna be, you know, prim and proper. So today is just one of those days for me. Just getting back to, you know, calm after all of my days off. It's been pretty cool. So actually did get to stop by Bath and Body Works earlier this weekend. I think it was Sheila's birthday, so whenever that was, and I picked up some new scents. So this is the Cucumber Melon. They still have the semi-annual sale going on, so I wanted to pick up some more things. This says crisp cucumber, watery honeydew, summer cantaloupe, sparkling grapefruit, and sheer woods. This is a very sweet smell. I mean, I can see it being energizing. It does have like fruit, cantaloupe, and things like that. But I wouldn't see wearing this to kind of like relax. This is more like a pick-me-up. So I got the body cream in this one. And instead of the body spray, I ended up getting the shower gel. So, and that is the Sunshine Mimosa. And it smells delicious. It says bright bubbly champagne with citrus. So another energizing pick-me-up, maybe for that shower before you go right out to work. We need to find a spot in the bathroom for this stuff because I kind of don't have one. So right now this is where my like perfumes and stuff are living. So I've kind of been making a spot for them. This is that fall one I was telling you about that I absolutely love. I lost the top to it, but this smells delicious and I got so many compliments on this. It's unreal. We need a new setup. We are running out of space for sure. So is that better? Like, I need to do something in here to get this organized. If you guys have any ideas on something that would work a little better than this, definitely let me know. I usually keep like my perfumes and stuff up top because I'm not wearing those as frequently. But my Bath and Body Works stuff I usually wear daily, certain ones anyway. So yeah. Guys, it is that time again, time to wash the makeup brushes. It is recommended that we wash our brushes every 2 weeks to not only extend the life of the brush that you have, but also decrease the amount of bacterial and fungal growth that can occur very easily on your makeup brushes. I purchased these brushes from Amazon. They came in a set of like 10, and they're not MAC brushes, but they got MAC brush heart. I really have enjoyed using them. Now that we got that all out the way, I want to go ahead and use this new face mask that I got from Lush called Don't Look at Me. It has cleansing lemon juice, ground rice, and it helps glow your complexion. So it says smooth mask all over your skin, leave on for 15 minutes, then rinse off with warm water, massaging as you go. Lemon juice breaks down dry skin, leaving it fresh and bright. So let's try this to see if it really works. I got this little hair tie from the Dollar Tree because you guys know that I love the Dollar Tree, right? So we're gonna tie our hair back some because my face it's usually dry, like dry. So I feel like this will help with some exfoliation and also some moisture. So we'll see how it does. I mean, I really think these little hair ties they have are adorable, just to kind of keep it all back. So we're gonna take this. I wish it would have came with like a brush or something to put it on, but you have to leave it in the refrigerator. It's only good for 2 weeks. It feels amazing going on because it's like really cold. And because you need to use it all in 2 weeks, you can use quite a bit of it. So this has to stay on for 15 minutes and it says massage as you go. This feels really good. The rice in it, it does feel like it's exfoliating. I smell the lemon. Don't know how they got this color. It's beautiful, but let's see. I can't see what's in it. Lemon juice, glycerin, ground and white rice, tofu, maramu butter. Girl, what is that? Hibiscus. I don't know what's making it blue. So we're gonna hang out with this for about 15 minutes and then. Another part of our routine tonight is going to be the use of the Ultimate White dental strips that are for teeth whitening. I purchased these from my local Dollar Tree, and y'all, there's a 7-day supply in the box. You apply them to the top and the bottom of your teeth. You leave them on for 10 minutes and they leave your teeth beautifully white. I have never had any issues with these. It's simple to use and very cost effective. Not only is July cancer season, but it also ushers in a spirit of reflection. Just looking back over the first 6 months of the year and really coming to grips with if you are making progress toward the things that you have outlined for yourself. I've been taking time to do this more regularly, focusing on my goals and ensuring that I meet them as best I can. After a long day, there's nothing like a hot, steamy bath for me to improve my relaxation. A warm bath helps not only keep your blood oxygenated because you're breathing deeper and slower, it also helps kill bacteria and improve your immunity. Submerging your body in water can reduce pain and inflammation and also calm the nervous system. This helps your body reduce stress and anxiety, so it helps me tremendously, especially on either the days before I go to work or after coming off a 3 or 4 day stretch. Got to have your bath. My face feels amazing. I finally made it out the tub. I'm just working on some of my notes and working on my new Think and Grow Rich journal that I got from Barnes & Noble. I love it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.